All right, fourth graders, it's that time of day when we're going to talk about shape attributes. So get your whiteboards out and, and your dry erase markers, and I want you to draw this shape. All right? Do the best that you can drawing it exactly as you see it, okay? And get it all drawn out. All right. The next step, of course, is to then get a few minutes from your teacher just to write as much as you can on your whiteboard about shape attributes, what this shape has, as best you can, all right? And I want to use mathematical terms and such, so you're used to this process by now, okay? So when the teacher's ready, we're going to pause it and then have a discussion before playing my video again, all right? So teachers, pause now. All right, so let's see how we did here. This shape, first you got to name it, right? What was the name of this shape? Do you remember? Okay, if I count the sides, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's got 8 sides, so that's one attribute. That's called an octagon. Octagon. Okay, an octagon has got eight sides, just like an octagon has 8. An octopus has 8 legs, okay? So an octagon. All right, did you talk about parallel sides? Okay, I know we did. We always talk about parallel sides. It's got 1, 2, 3, 4 sets of parallel lines, right? Opposite sides of these are definitely parallel. So 4 sets of parallel sides. Did you talk about the angles? How many angles does it have? Okay, 8 angles, right? You can count them 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now, if it has 8 sides, it has to have 8 angles. Just like a triangle has 3 angles and 3 sides, okay? The sides and the angles always are always equal. These angles are obtuse angles, okay? You probably said that. Okay, all those angles are obtuse angles. I know my class, I'm certain of it, probably said no right angles, okay? So, you also can characterize shapes by what it doesn't have, and that's no right angles. And this is called a regular octagon. So a regular octagon has got all congruent sides. Congruent means the same. All the length of these sides are the same, okay? So what does that mean about symmetry? Let me talk about symmetry. This shape is symmetrical, so I believe it's got 1, 2, 3, 4, maybe it's, 4 lines of symmetry. If I go around 1, 2, 3, 4, get my diagonals in there, would that work? I'm thinking 4 lines of symmetry, all right? Other than that, hopefully you came up with a little bit more, I don't know. But if you came up with at least 4 or 5 attributes of this shape, you're in good shape, all right? Okay, hang tight, we'll be right back with our exit ticket.